So students, here we saw how the pulleys are work. If you want to lift any object from one place to another, that time we use the pulleys. All of you know how the crane works. They lift the object from downside and put it upside. Yes, so in that also the pulleys are there. All of you visit to the school for the flag hoisting. In that flag hoisting pole, the pulleys are there. The flag goes up to the pole, from the ground to the pole. There also the pulleys are fixed. How that flag goes up? By the pulley. Pulleys are also used in windows and in drapery to move them up and down or back and forth. In the window pane also they put the pulley. If you want to take that curtain downside or lift that curtain up, or on the drapery bar, if you want to take out that drapery bar downside, you can pull that pulley downside, and as your work is finished, you can take that bar up. So in that also the pulleys are fixed. Pulleys are also used on ships to raise and lower loads, and on cranes for use in moving construction equipment. On the ship also people use the pulleys to move their objects or to move their load from one place to another. In cranes also, by using the crane, in the construction work, people or we can put the things from one place to another. If you want to put the heavy tank, water tank on your terrace, that time we call to the crane. That crane comes and they can put the water tank from the ground to your terrace. If that terrace is of first floor or on the sixth floor, then also. Next simple tool is screw. The screw can be defined as a twisted inclined plane. It is the inclined plane, but it is the twisted inclined plane. It allows movement from lower position to a higher position. From the lower position it goes to the higher position, but at the same time it moves in the circle also. When it goes from the lower to higher, that time it moves also, and then it fits there. A screw can also act to hold things together in some cases. If you want to join two objects together by using the screw, we can fit that, and that's why in so many furniture work we use the screws. You can, if you want, or if you see, if any electrician comes to your house to open your TV or mixer grinder, so many small screws are fit, because these things are hold together by using the screws. So screw is also the simple tool. So here we saw the simple machines. These are lever, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge, pulleys and screws. In this way, we can say that by using these simple machines, we can do the work. Here are 12 topics. Force, energy and work is finished. Now I will going to read the summary. Listen it by heart. First, gravitational force is a force of attraction between two objects. Friction is a force between two surfaces which are in contact. Energy is defined as the ability to do work. Force is done when a force that is applied to an object moves that object. Machines make work easier and faster. This is the summary of this lesson. Now, I am going to read the glossary, the meaning of these hard words. Students, you have to write the glossary and summary in your notepad. Energy. What is meant by energy? Energy is the ability to do work. What is meant by force? A push or pull means force. Friction. Friction means a force between two surfaces which are in contact. Gravity means the force with which the earth pulls everything towards it. And work means the work is done when a force applied to an object moves that object. These are the meanings of these words. Here, this lesson is finished. Thank you, students.